Folks, thank you for joining us today at CVOD Workshop. We're here to talk about sandpaper. They've asked me to do a video on sandpaper. Really? Okay, so sandpaper. You use it, we use it, everybody uses it. The question is, how much do you use and how much does it cost you? At CVOD, we've tried to maximize our value by buying the best quality we can at an affordable price. Oh, and by the way, when I say value for money, we're doing this out of our pocket. Nobody's sponsoring us. We didn't get sponsored by Home Depot, which is where we got the sandpaper from, or Diablo. We picked up a bunch of Diablo sandpaper for that very reason. Diablo will last up to 10 times longer per sheet. You go through a project, or we go through a project. I've done a piece of furniture and gone through 8, 9, 10 sheets of paper just on that one project. But Diablo, we can go through 1 or 2. So the value is there if it lasts longer. This package here has 800 to 400 grit. It's good for metal, wood, plastic, and we're going to be doing all of those. In Calamity, our bus build that's coming up, you're going to be seeing videos on that. Our program is Calamity Bus Wanderings on Instagram. You can check it out. We're going to be working on the outside of the bus, on the inside. On the outside, we're going to be sanding the sheet metal, the metal of the bus, getting rid of that yellow, or cleaning it up, doing some body work. We'll be sanding some of the fill on there from 80 grit up to a 400 grit to get a good finish, and then we'll be going beyond that, and we'll be spray painting. On the inside, we're going to be doing woodwork. We're putting in wood walls, wood floors, furniture, cabinetry, lots of sanding involved with that. Inside of our shop, our CNC plasma table and wood router table, we use sandpaper on the metal art, we use sandpaper on the wood signs that we create for our customers. Sandpaper is a consumable product that we use tons of. So when we do that, we're trying to buy the best, again, we can for the best price, and that equals value. Thank you for joining us today. Please subscribe. That's the easiest way to help us, and it's free, but hit that notification bell so you know when we're putting up another video that you can check out, and give us a thumbs up for likes and comments below. We do pay attention to the comments. We appreciate your input. Thank you, folks. Take care.